This Pillsbury Moist Supreme White Premium Cake Mix is so delicious. It comes in 15.25 ounces and it's very easy to make. All you need is half a cup oil, 1 cup water, and 3 eggs. And the baking instructions are very easy. All you need to do is set the oven to 350 degrees, coat the bottom of a pan with nonstick cooking spray or shortening and a flour dusting like we did. And then you beat the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a bowl with the mixture on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Pour the batter into the pans and then bake at 350 degrees, following the bake times below. When the cake is ready, insert a toothpick to see if the center comes out clean, and then you'll know it's done. Cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before removing from the pan. Once it's cool, you can put your frosting on and store loosely covered, and it just tastes amazing. This was so delicious, super moist, and very yummy, and just sweet enough. Definitely recommend this product. Hope you found this video helpful.